I'm Kane Mehta and welcome to the beginning of this knee repair series. So the purpose of this channel is to show you guys exactly how to recover from a knee injury at home. So I myself have an ACL tear and a meniscus tear, and I've been through about 2 years of physiotherapy to kind of recover from that. So now I can do all the other stuff that I couldn't, like sports, like skating, soccer, and I can also just hang out with friends without the risk of injuring it again. So not everybody has physiotherapy available for them, or maybe they went through it once but forgot the exercises that they were supposed to do. So this video series is just to remind you guys how to do it, or maybe teach you how to do it at home without having to go to the physiotherapist. This video itself is only an introduction to my channel, or this video series, and in the future I'll be posting a lot more exercise videos on what to do at home. The knee joint is one of the strongest in the entire human body. It's responsible for holding the majority of your body mass. That's pretty impressive. Also, it's responsible for everyday activities like standing, walking, or even sitting. So here's two diagrams of a knee. This one is healthy, and this one has arthritis. So the healthy knee has no problems with it. You can see there's the femur, the tibia, and the cartilage in between. But the one with arthritis has the femur and the tibia, but the cartilage between the two has been worn down, and thus is ineffective. So the cartilage acts as a shock absorber between the two bones. So when you jump, the two bones don't rub against each other and don't come in contact. It's like a little slimy substance that just like blows off the impact. But see, in the arthritic knee, the cartilage is basically gone. It's worn down. It's ineffective, and that's a big problem because when you're doing everyday activities like standing or sitting, that knee and the two bones are rubbing against each other, and there's nothing there to protect them. So that can lead to many other health issues, and that's a big problem. But there are many solutions to this, and one of the best ones is exercise. So that's where physiotherapy comes in, because physiotherapy is proven to reduce stress on the knee, it's proven to protect the knee from future injuries, and it's proven to reduce the pain and swelling. Pretty impressive. Here are some quick facts about knee injuries and how common they can really be. So first off, you're not alone in this. In America alone, 27 million people have osteoarthritis, and there are 200,000 ACL tears every single year in America. A lot of people think that knee injuries can only really happen from sports, but really they can happen from pretty much anything, like household activities, or as well even just walking or running incorrectly. To wrap up, in the future I'll be posting a lot more videos on how to do exercises, which ones to do, and how they'll help you. So till next time.